In this video, I will show you how to disconnect from the internet during the out-of-box experience, OOBE, when installing Windows 11. Normally, you need an internet connection to finish installing Windows 11. However, if you connect to the internet and then try to use the bypass and RO command, your computer might restart in an OOBE loop. This means you can't install Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. Also, sometimes after connecting to the internet, Windows Update might start. This process can take a long time, maybe even an hour. To avoid these problems, you should disconnect from the internet before running the bypass and RO command. Let's press Shift plus F10 or FN plus Shift plus F10 on a laptop to open the command prompt. Next, press Alt plus Tab to switch to that window. Let's do a ping to check if your computer is connected to the internet. If you are using a wired connection, you can just unplug the cable from your computer. If you are using Wi-Fi, let's run this command to see the Wi-Fi network name you are connected to. Then, run this command to disconnect from the Wi-Fi. As you can see, your computer is now offline. Now, we can run the bypass and RO command to install Windows 11 without an internet connection or a Microsoft account. Once you are logged into Windows, you can connect to your Wi-Fi network again as usual. Another way to disconnect from the internet is by disabling all network adapters in Windows settings. Run this command to open Windows settings. Go to the Network and Internet section. Select Advanced Network Settings, and then click on Disable All Network Adapters. As you can see, your computer is now disconnected from the internet. We can now run the bypass and RO command as normal. After you log into Windows with your local account, remember to re-enable your network adapters to restore your internet connection. The last method is to disconnect from the internet by disabling all network adapters in Device Manager. Run this command to open Device Manager. Expand the network adapters category. You will see one or more network adapters listed. Right-click on each one and select Disable Device. Your computer is now disconnected from the internet, and we can run the bypass and RO command to get around the requirements. In some cases, if the bypass and RO doesn't work, you can try this command to install Windows 11 using a local account. Alternatively, you can try other methods to install Windows 11 without an internet connection and a Microsoft Online account. All these methods require you to open the command prompt window by pressing Shift F10 or FN Shift F10 in OOBE. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.